In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use plugins with Logic Pro X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Plugins are essential tools in Logic Pro X that extend its capabilities and functionality. You will be able to add new instruments, effects, and features to your music production overflow. So all that you have to do is first acquire plugins from various sources like online marketplaces, software developers' websites, or bundled with audio interfaces. So all that you have to do is visit websites such as this one. So Quiet Music on Gumroad has a variety of free effects that you can download, or you can visit places like Reverb.com. As long as you go over to any of these websites, you will be able to find plugins for Logic Pro X. A lot of these are going to be free, and when you click on them, you will be able to get more instructions on how to use them. So click on any of them, you will be able to select download and start downloading the tool. So you will have to sign up on Reverb to download them. Likewise for Gumroad, you will be able to click on any of these, and if they are free, you can just go ahead, include 0, add the cart, and proceed. You will be able to download any of the effects that they have available. Once this is done and you have them downloaded and installed, all that you have to do is open Logic Pro X and navigate to the plugin browser. So click on plugin browser icon at the top right corner of the main window, and in there you will be able to choose the option to use that plugin. So experiment and explore. Experiment with different plugins to create unique sound and effects, and you will be able to use multiple plugins in series or parallel to achieve complex sonic textures. So all that you have to do is install them through any of these websites, anywhere that the plugins are available, and when you open Logic Pro X, you will be able to choose the option to use them when you go over to the installed plugins menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to use plugins with Logic Pro X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.